Ava Grace. What is very nice about Ava is the aft deck. And up onto the flying bridge. And down into the main saloon. Boxes a bit. This comes down into the aft cabin. There's double bed, nice and roomy and comfortable, and then into the aft head and shower. We have a port light there to replace, so a new port light ready, and we've already replaced the sea toilet, or the Jabasco one. We had a Raritan one which didn't work very effectively. Then up, down into the galley. Nice parky flooring in the galley. We've got full oven, etc. We've fitted a new port light there, so that's now nice and clear and not broken. We couldn't seal that and all of these were snapped off, and that was very insecure. One of the great things about this boat though is fridge, freezer, full unit, and into the main head. So here we have electric one and shower. Nice shower unit, full size, beautiful for first thing on the morning. And then into the 4-peak twin berths, all makes up into a double. That's again very nice and okay. So that's Ava Grace. It's a Carver 3207.
They're playing hide.